Welcome to the Editing a Photo on your iPhone course. In this video, you'll learn how you can do some basic photo editing using your iPhone's Photos app. Starting from the home screen, find the Photos icon and tap on it to open the app. The Photos app can present your photos in a few different ways. And in this demonstration, the All Photos option is selected. This shows a grid of all your photos with the newest photos at the end. Tap one of the photos to view it in full screen mode. With the photo open in full screen mode, tap Edit at the top right of the screen. Some icons for different editing controls will appear. It's worth coming back and experimenting with each of these controls later. But for this demonstration, we're going to crop the edges off our photo. At the bottom of the screen is an icon that looks a bit like a box with arrows around it. This is the Crop button, and we'll tap it to go to cropping mode. Some white lines will appear around the photo, and you can use these to change the edges. Tap and hold the white line on one of the bottom corners and slide it up. This will crop the bottom of the photo. When you're happy with the new composition, take your finger off the display. The view changes to show how the photo looks after cropping the edges. If you're not happy with the changes you've made to the photo, you can tap Cancel. Then, on the options that pop up, tap Discard Changes. To have another go at cropping, let's follow the steps again to edit our photo. Tap Edit. Now let's tap the Crop control again. When the white crop controls appear, drag the corners as before. Have a play with how the crop controls work. When you're happy with the result, tap Done in the bottom right of the screen. The cropped selfie has now been saved and has replaced the original as a new photo in the Photos app. If you want the original selfie back, tap Edit in the top right of the screen once more. Now at the bottom right on this screen, look for Revert and tap it. Now tap Revert to Original to restore the original photo.